Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a very helpful trick with you. Very often it happens we have a project, we have the color, but the thickness of the yarn does not match. The yarn is too thin and our requirement is for a thicker yarn. Quite obviously, we bring together multiple strands and start our project. What if we have a single ball of yarn? How do we make it into multiple strands? We make 2 or 3 balls from that one ball, but again, we don't end up with similar lengths. So here is the trick which gives us 3 strands from one single ball of yarn. Hold the yarn from one end, pull it long and make it double. You can pull as long as you can. Fold it again. This gives you 3 strands. We have 3 folds. So this gives us 3 strands. Let's begin with making a chain. We start with a slip knot. And begin our work. But what is this? The 3 folds have come to an end. What do we do? Don't worry. Here you have this loop. Pull the single strand, and the loop. Pick up the single strand and pull it through the loop and pull it long enough. Doesn't matter how long you pull. And there you have 3 strands once again. And you can continue with your project. I'll show you once again. These are our 3 strands, the single strand and the one with the loop. Put your index finger and the thumb through the loop, hold the single strand and pull it through the loop and pull it long enough. This gives you another set of 3 strands. And you can continue your project. Repeat the same process. Pull through the loop till you complete your project. I hope this trick will help you. And by the way, please do subscribe to my channel for more helpful tricks. Click the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Till then, thank you so much for watching.